Welcome to our video about wisdom tooth extraction. Wisdom tooth extraction cost varies. You may be able to get it free if you are a low-income American. Dentists in training gain experience by performing procedures on real teeth. In some cases, an intern or resident at a dental school performs the procedure under the supervision of a practicing dentist. Government-funded clinics also offer wisdom tooth extraction for free to qualified patients. The cost of the surgery depends on the dentist and the type of extraction. Your insurance coverage may also affect the cost, especially if you have the top plans. The cost of wisdom teeth removal can vary from $300 to over $3,000, depending on the complexity of the case and the type of anesthesia. Some insurance plans cover the cost of the procedure, while others cap payments at a certain amount per year. If you are unsure whether your insurance plan covers the procedure, check with your employer to see what their policy covers. You can also ask about discounts for having all 4 wisdom teeth removed at once, which could save you over $1,000. Many companies offer health savings accounts, HSAs, and flexible spending accounts, FSAs. These accounts can help offset out-of-pocket costs, such as wisdom tooth extraction if your insurance plan covers these costs. If your insurance plan does not cover the expense, you can set up a payment plan to pay off the remainder. In this way, the cost of wisdom tooth extraction will be much easier to afford. Many people have their wisdom teeth extracted because they are causing problems with the neighboring teeth. If not extracted, they can crowd the remaining teeth and make them difficult to brush and floss. In some cases, they may even become impacted and cause cysts. These problems can be prevented by taking preventative measures. If your dentist identifies wisdom teeth in your mouth, he will take an X-ray to determine whether your teeth are growing. Your wisdom teeth can cause a variety of problems, including tooth decay, crowding, and pressure on neighboring teeth. Dental insurance will cover the majority of the expense of wisdom tooth removal. However, you may have to pay some co-pays or deductibles. Some dental insurance policies have a yearly limit, which means they won't cover the whole cost of the treatment. Therefore, you should research the benefits and limitations of your plan before making your decision. A good dental insurance plan will cover the majority of the costs associated with this procedure. Price of sedation for wisdom teeth extraction. The cost of sedation for wisdom teeth removal varies. It can range from $100 to $450 depending on the location, complexity of the procedure, and the anesthesia chosen. Dental insurance usually covers the procedure, but you should check with your provider to see how much it will cost. You can request a payment plan if you cannot afford the full amount. However, if you are a nervous patient, sedation can make the experience more comfortable. Depending on the type of impaction, simple wisdom tooth extraction can cost as little as $175 to $200 per tooth. However, if you have multiple impacted teeth, the cost can range from $225 to $600 per tooth. The price will also depend on whether the teeth are partially erupted or fully bony. In addition, sedation options can add up quickly, so you may want to consider the cost of nitrous oxide before making your appointment. In general, oral sedation is significantly cheaper than full-bore sedation, but the price is often higher than that of laughing gas. You should expect to pay between $300 and $1,000 for in-4 sedation, but the benefits may be worth it. Moreover, the cost of sedation will be offset by the reduced fee for other dental work. When it comes to the cost of sedation for wisdom teeth extraction, you can expect to pay less than you think. In most cases, people who opt for sedation for wisdom teeth extraction prefer to be unaware during the procedure. However, the doctor can offer several types of anesthesia, and the patient can choose what is best for them. For example, all outpatient surgery is performed under appropriate anesthesia, with the doctors and staff trained to administer them. The office uses modern monitoring equipment and experienced, professional staff. Your dentist is inspected regularly by the Board of Dental Examiners. Price of laughing gas for wisdom teeth extraction. You may be wondering if the price of laughing gas for wisdom teeth extraction is worth the benefits it offers. The cost can vary depending on the amount of sedation needed. 4 anesthesia may cost $500 while mild sedation will run as little as $45. Oral sedation is a mid-range option, and will not involve 4 anesthesia. Aside from the cost, laughing gas is a safe, convenient way to numb yourself for your dental procedure. Laughing gas is a type of sedation that will make you sleepy and relax throughout your treatment. Because it's a quick-acting sedative, nitrous oxide won't affect your heart, liver, lungs, or kidneys. It's an especially good choice for young patients who experience dental anxiety. It also doesn't require any needles. And it's completely safe when administered by a trained professional. Laughing gas for wisdom teeth extraction costs varies greatly. Some dental practices don't disclose the exact price over the phone, while others use specific terminology. While you'll never know exactly how much you'll spend, it's a good idea to get a couple of price quotes to compare before making the decision. And if you can't afford to pay full price, you can always ask your dental care provider about financing options. You can also find out if your dental insurance plan covers the procedure. The procedure is relatively safe and quick. Patients are given nitrous oxide or local anesthesia to numb themselves during the procedure. The back of the mouth is open to expose the wisdom teeth. Once the teeth are removed, the holes are closed with dissolvable stitches to stop bleeding and prevent infection. It takes anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks to recover completely. If you have high blood pressure or experience vertigo after the procedure, you'll likely be better off going to a dentist. Cost of angular wisdom tooth extraction. The cost of an angular wisdom tooth extraction depends on the type of tooth you have and the angle of its tilt. In general, wisdom teeth that come through the gums are cheaper to have removed than those that come in underneath. Regardless of the difficulty of the procedure, most dental insurances cover it at some level. If you don't have dental insurance, contact your provider for information about whether your policy covers this procedure. The average dental checkup costs anywhere from $50 to $200. The cost of an angular wisdom tooth extraction may be between $225 and $400, although you can often get a discount if you have multiple teeth removed. In addition to the cost of the procedure, you'll likely have to pay for an X-ray before the surgery. A panoramic X-ray costs an additional $60 to $150, while a cone beam CT can cost anywhere from $150 to $800. The cost of an angular wisdom tooth extraction can vary depending on the type of anesthesia used, the location of the site, and other factors. An in-network oral surgeon can have discounted fees because he or she has negotiated a low fee with your insurance provider. A sedative, however, can increase the cost. Aside from your insurance coverage, the cost of angular wisdom tooth extraction is also affected by your location and the cost of living in your area. If your wisdom tooth is located near the mandibular nerve, it may need to be extracted by a dentist with specialized training. This procedure requires more anesthesia and may involve stitches. This procedure is more difficult and may cost more than the standard one, but it's worth it. If you're not sure whether you can afford this procedure, contact a dental practice today. A dentist with extensive experience in angular wisdom tooth extraction can help you decide on a treatment option. Price of angled wisdom tooth extraction. Whether you need a simple extraction or a more complex procedure, the price of an angled wisdom tooth extraction is likely to be within your budget. Prices for erupted teeth range from $200 to $700, while those for impacted teeth are more than 3 times that amount. The cost of an angled wisdom tooth extraction depends on a number of factors, including the condition of your teeth and whether additional procedures need to be performed. Your insurance coverage may cover some of the cost, so be sure to check with your provider to see what is covered by your plan. Some practices also offer financing or payment plans. Most dental insurance companies cover the procedure, so you can save money by taking advantage of these benefits. However, it is important to note that the cost of an angled wisdom tooth extraction may still be higher than the cost of an average dental procedure. This is why it is important to plan ahead. Before you get an angled wisdom tooth extraction, make sure your dentist is board certified and offers a low-cost alternative. If they are not, consider visiting a dental school to get a cheaper price. In addition to offering a lower price, they may perform the procedure as a way to attract students. A reputable school will also guarantee the quality of the treatment because students are under the supervision of an experienced board-certified dentist. You should consider investing in a health savings account. HSA accounts are government-regulated savings accounts that allow individuals to save up pre-tax income for medical expenses. Like an FSA, HSA funds roll over to the next year if you don't use them. Or, you can choose to have your wisdom teeth removed by a dental school student. A dental school student performs the procedure and will be supervised by a board-certified dentist. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.